I'm going to go over the steps to install the Tosot 10,000 BTU window air conditioner. Check your windowsill to make sure when you set your air conditioner on it, it's going to tilt out slightly. You want it to drain outside. You may have to put a small wooden block underneath it to help support it. Install your top mounting rail with the seal strip down with the 4 screws that they provide. The accordion side panels are marked right and left. We're going to put a seal strip on the side of both of them. With the text facing you, you want to pull out your accordion panel and you're going to slip it into the groove on the side. The frame of the side panels fit into a groove on the top and the bottom. We're going to cut the seals to length. I'm going to put one on the windowsill and one under the sash that closes on the air conditioner. Now you can place your air conditioner in the window opening. You want to line up the top rail with the inside edge of the window. There's a pilot hole in the top mounting rail so you can secure the unit to the window. You also get locking brackets to prevent anyone from lifting up the window. Put a foam gasket between the windows to stop any air movement. The air conditioner comes with foam to cover the side panels. I also tucked some insulation under the unit.